if sum of third and eighth term of an AP is 7, so this is the given condition. According to first condition, we can say T3 plus T8 is 7. We know Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. According to this formula, we can find out T3. T3 is A plus n, that is 3 minus 1 into D. So this will give me A plus 2D. Same way we can find out T8, A plus 8 minus 1 into D. So A plus 7D. Here we have T3. T3 can be taken as A plus 2D plus T8. T8, that is A plus 7D, which is equals to 7. So here I can take 7. Now A plus A will give you 2A plus 2D 7D. Together they will make 9D is equals to 7. This is my equation number 1. Same way we can find out another equation with the help of second set of information. Sum of 7th and 14th term is minus 3. So here when I'll use this formula, so according to second condition says T7 plus T14 is minus 3. So T7, that is A plus 6D plus T14 A plus 13D. Together they will give you minus 3. So A plus A, 2A plus 13 plus 6, 19D is equals to minus 3. This is my equation number 2. Now we have two equations. 2A plus 9D is 7 and second equation 2A plus 19D is minus 3. We can solve these two equations to find the values of A and D. But before that, we need to just evaluate what we need to calculate. We need to calculate 10th term. 10th term means you required first term and common difference, that is A and D. So if you have value of A and D, you can calculate this 10th term. So in order to calculate this 10th term, whether we need to calculate A and D or composite value of A and D will work, that we need to see, because then that way we can reduce our steps and our time. For example, T10. So in T10, when we substitute the value of n, I'll get A plus 9D. So I just need to see, can I get 9D or A plus 9D over here? So that is not possible. So what we will do, I'll find out value of A and D separately. So I'm going to subtract equation 2 from 1. So this is 2A plus 9D is 7. This is my equation number 1. I'm talking about this equation. Then I'll take my equation number 2, which is 2A plus 19D is equals to minus 3. This is equation number 2. We can subtracting equation 2 from 1. So when you subtract, all the sign will change here. This is negative 3 will become positive 3. This is positive 19 will become negative 19. And this positive 2 will become negative 2. So these two will become 0. Plus minus minus 10D and here I'll get 7 plus 3, that is 10. So this way we have D as minus 10 upon minus 10. So your D will minus 1. So this is value of D, which can be substituted either in equation 1 or 2 to get the value of A. So I am substituting D1 in equation number 1. So this is our equation number 1. So 2A plus 9D, 9 into D, that is minus 1, is 7. So this will become 2A, 9 ones are 9, is 7. So 7 plus 9. I am sending this 9 to the right hand side. Keeping A on its place, it will give you 16, 9 plus 7. And this 2 is multiplying. When you send it to the other side, it will divide. So A is 8. Now we have value of A as well as D. We are in a position to find out T10. Question was about to find the 10th term. Look at this. Find 10th term of the arithmetic progression. So we need to find out T10. So T10 is equals to A plus A, that is 8 plus n minus 1, 10 minus 1, D is minus 1. So this 10 minus 1, that is 9 into minus 1 plus minus minus 9. So T10 will become minus 1. This is your final answer. Yes. Okay. Look at this. In an arithmetic progression, first term is minus 5, last term is 45. First term, that is T1, is 5, last term Tn 45. Sum of all the terms from first term to last term, it is 120. So these are given information. Now we can find out n. Hello? Okay. So we need to find out S120. So in order to find out S120, how many terms are there, that we need to find out. So how many terms means n we need to calculate. I can use this formula. Sn equals to n by 2 into bracket first term plus last term. This is another formula to find out sum of nth term. Sn is 120. Here we don't know n. First term is 5 minus 5 and last term is 45. This 2 can be transposed to the left hand side. It will multiply by 120. So here you will get n into bracket minus 5 minus 45 plus 45 will give you 40n. This is 120 will give you 120 into 2 is equals to 40n. 120 into 2 will become 240 upon 40. So n is equals to 240 upon 40. So this way n is 6. So how many terms are there? So there are 6 terms. Then second part of the question says find the common difference. Common difference means d we need to calculate. If n is 6, a is minus 5, tn is 45. So we have first term, right? This way we can calculate n also. So in same expression, if you substitute value of, हेलो, इसका आंसर चेक कर लो जरा जल्दी से. Is it correct or not? Yes, we have. Okay. How many terms are there? So 6 terms are there. And common difference? What is the common difference? So common difference is 10. Is it clear everybody? How to solve this question? 8, 9, 10. अरे अभी बहुत सारे सवाल हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, look at this. Sum of 1 to n natural number is 36. Then find the value of n. What is mean by this question? Yes, anyone? Sum of 1 to n natural numbers is 36. Then find the value of n.